Welcome to the Warren Mott Counseling Department. We will be using the Warren Mott Counseling website in today's presentation. The website is linked to the main Warren Mott website. It can also be found by searching the internet for Warren Mott Counseling. There are 4 counselors in our department who are assigned to students based on their last names. Mrs. Pertula works with students with the last names A through DH. Mr. Kolpak works with students with the last names DIA through KH. Mr. Lonnie works with students with the last names KI through RH. And Mrs. West works with students with last names RI through Z. Additionally, Ms. Azaro is the CPC counselor. There is a counseling clerk and counseling interns. Our department provides many services, some of which include individual counseling, graduation planning, post-high school planning, college counseling, career development, outside referral assistance, and crisis intervention. Counselors can be contacted by email, through Schoology, by submitting a form on our website, and by attending our open office hours. Information on open office hours can be found on our website and in Schoology. A variety of information can be found on the Warren Mott Counseling website, including contact information, special announcements, academic support, credit recovery, dual enrollment, graduation requirements, class scheduling, college and career planning, scholarships and financial aid, standardized testing, and much, much more. Annually, the department reaches out to students through several counseling and guidance activities. At the end of September, counselors meet with each senior to review graduation progress and discuss college planning. From October through November, the department hosts dozens of college representatives to present information to students and answer questions. Each year, at the end of October, we host College Week. During this week, counselors assist seniors in completing college applications for college and financial aid. Through November and December, counselors guide students through various career development activities, and students update their educational development plans. Through February and March, counselors meet with students in grades 8, 9, 10, and 11 to discuss scheduling options for the following year and for assistance in completing scheduling materials. In order for students to graduate on time from Warren Mott High School, students must complete a series of required courses. Students are required to complete 4 credits of language arts, 4 credits of math, 3 credits of science, 3 credits of social studies, 1 credit of health and physical education, 1 credit of visual performing and applied arts, 2 credits of world language, and 4.5 credits of electives. Like previously mentioned, counselors meet with students each February and March to review their graduation requirements. The counseling website includes a variety of information related to college and career planning. As mentioned before, counselors review this information with students annually. Lastly, the department is proud of its START initiative. The goal of this program is to promote habits that positively impact academic performance and overall quality of life. The S stands for sleep. Students should be getting a minimum of 8 hours of sleep each night. T stands for turn off. Students should limit recreational screen time on electronic devices to fewer than 2 hours per day. A stands for being physically active. Students should get 1 hour or more of physical activity a day, or 20 minutes of vigorous activity at least 3 times weekly. R stands for read. Students should take time daily to read, review notes, study, and complete homework. And T stands for take control. We encourage that students should focus on those factors in life which are within their control, instead of dwelling on things that they cannot change. The Warren Mott Counseling Team would like to thank you for watching this video. We encourage you to visit the counseling website, and we look forward to working with your students.